Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, Thanksgiving's just around the corner and doing up my ham and turkey and all that. And I wanted some scalloped potatoes, but I didn't want to be bothered baking them because I had the turkey in the oven and all that. So I decided to do up some cheesy stovetop scalloped potatoes. And believe me, these are about the best scalloped potatoes I have ever had. So you gotta try them. So let me share this with you and show you how to make it.
Alrighty then, the first thing we're going to do is slice two fairly large potatoes into about 1/4 inch slices. They don't have to be exactly 1/4 inch, just fairly thin. Then add a good heaping teaspoon of salt to a pot of boiling water. And simply grab up those taters and place them in.
Now you can use any kind of potatoes here, guys. You can use russet, Yukon, whatever you like. I'm just using baking potatoes. Just about anything works fine.
Give them a little stir and let these boil away for about 9 or 10 minutes. You don't want them too soft. Now let's add a couple of tablespoons of butter to a pan over medium-high heat, followed by a tablespoon or two of oil to stop the butter from burning. And just give it a swirl around and let it melt down. Now we're going in with 3/4 of a cup ham or about 8 slices from the deli I've sliced up. Or, go ahead and use your favorite ham. Okay, we'll give this a mix around and let it cook for, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes. Next, in with a small chopped onion. And if you watched any of my videos, you know this is coming, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Give the onion and garlic a saute and stir until that wonderful aroma fills the air. Next up, I'm going to throw in a good heaping teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm just going to eyeball in here, but this is about a good heaping teaspoon. A few cracks of the old saltation, about a teaspoon. And a good teaspoon or two of ground black pepper. And you know me, I'm always heavy on the pepper, so if you want, cut back a little bit. And my oh my guys, this is looking and smelling ever so good, especially smelling good. Alrighty then, pour in a cup of table cream. You can use half and half too. About 3 slices of cheese, and go ahead and use grated cheddar too if you like. I just happen to have this on hand and it works perfectly fine. Then about 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella. Grab up the old spoon and give it a stir until that ooey gooey creamy goodness comes together, and you want this to come to a soft boil.
And of course, guys, we're going to stir this up until it thickens a bit. But you can have whatever seasoning you want. You can put some additional stuff in. I just added the paprika and salt and pepper. But entirely up to you. This will be good.
You guessed it, in with those taters that have ever been so patiently waiting on the sideline. Oh, now it's starting to shape up. Now you want to gently, with the spoon, mix everything together. You don't want to break up those potatoes until it's covered with that sauce. But isn't this looking good, guys? Ever so fast, ever so easy. I just love it. You guessed it, now it's time to plate this up or put it in a bowl, whatever you're going to do with it. But just look at this. Wow, I am so impressed. And I made this whole dish in about 20 minutes. In my opinion, you cannot get faster, easier, more delicious scallops. As always, you have to garnish this up with a little bit of parsley just to make it all pretty-like. And there you have it, guys, our creamy, cheesy stovetop scallops. Life doesn't get much better.
Okay, let's dig in here, guys, and see what we have. Oh, this is going to be so good. Just look at this. Just a combination of incredibleness. And this is going to go so well with my ham, I'll bet you. This is so good, guys. This even beats conventional scalloped potatoes. It's creamy. The cream gives it that richness. The touch of ham and the garlic and the onion. Absolutely delicious. Probably the best scallops I've ever had. Wow, you got to make these. So good. And if you do, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And give us a like, because it really does help the channel out. And if you're so inclined, subscribe. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And we'll see you next time, and I'm going to have more scallops. These are so good.